A call of the open road, a promise of new horizons, and a string of adventure awaits. And what could be a more fitting companion than a Grand Design RV from Lazydays Milwaukee? First up, the Grand Design Imagine Aim, the single-axle, 8-foot wide body series that shortens everything up, keeps it light, and gives you all of the amenities that you know and love in the Grand Design Imagine. Coming in at about 3,600 pounds and just under 20 feet, this trailer is the essence of compact and luxury. The AIM 15BH is the perfect couples camper, but it also has this drop-down bunk bed for that off-chance time that the grandkids can come along for a trip. Although small, there is no shortage of storage. The next stop on our Grand Design journey, Transcend 240ml. This camper is in that perfect sweet spot, just under 30 feet and about 6,500 pounds. This is great for those extended stay campers with a separated bedroom and more floor space and storage space. Come along inside with me. On your way in, check out the new on-demand water heater and this new glass door. Here it is, your private master bedroom behind the sliding pocket door. And take a look at your living space. You have these theater seats here for your comfort that recline. Entertainment center right across from that. The windows let in nice extra light and you can see right out into your campsite, right by your booth. Here you've got your catch-all storage drawers and this nice extra coat closet. And take a look at all of the kitchen space. If living out your dreams requires a little more space, the Transcend gives you the space, the storage, and is a bang for your buck. Brand new for 2024, the Grand Design Reflection 100 series. Thinking of making the transition from a travel trailer into a fifth wheel? The new Reflection 100 series makes that super easy. This is barely heavier than that Transcend unloaded, and it's under 10,000 pounds fully loaded. Come inside with me. Let's take a look at how they have remodeled the 226 RK from the 150 series. Just like the Transcend, in your main floor plan, you've got your recliners to kick back and relax right across from the entertainment center and a booth with a view. Redesigned from the Reflection 150 226 RK, this shorter, lighter slide room allows you full access to your entire fifth wheel with the slide room closed. Navigate this layout with ease. Although shorter and smaller, you'll still be able to rest in comfort with your 60 by 80 queen bed, and you've got plenty of storage in your wardrobe. And now for the final destination on our journey. Let's go to Big Mo! You can take your party anywhere with the multiple party decks, an outdoor entertainment system, and premium sound system by Rockford Fosgate. The 399 TH allows plenty of outdoor entertainment space, and you can bring all the boys and all the toys. Let's go inside. With momentum, versatility is the name of the game. You've got extra sleeping space for your guests here, washer dryer prep for convenience, and a half bath so that everyone is comfortable. When you need to take the party indoors, you've got plenty of seating space and creature comforts. This is glamping, not camping. Check out this shower. You've got the rainfall shower head. And your bedroom is fit for a king, literally. For long-term campers or full-time campers, you'll find plenty of storage space in your wardrobe. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us through our Grand Design lineup here at Lazydays Milwaukee. Come meet us in person and check out our lineup of Grand Designs to see what suits your next adventure.